Okay, and then for the third place, with 2,000 cash prize. Third place, Team Charlie. Team Charlie.
Yung financer natin.
Ayan, congratulations. And for the second place,
May chance kami, may chance.
Ma'am April.
Sana all.
Cash. Cash. Bigay mo na yun sa kanila yung cash.
okay, bigyan mo na para...
Siyempre, dalawa na natin yun.
So for the second place, congratulations.
Bravo! Bravo!
Bravo! Representative of Team Bravo.
Bravo!
Team Bravo. Sila, sabi na si Kobe, Sir Kobe. Sir, ipapapad tayo dyan. Siyempre, itignan natin na Ayan, Team Charlie, please come forward. 2,000 pesos. Congratulations. For the second place, congratulations, Team Alpha.
Team Alpha.
No, Team Delta. Congratulations, Team Delta. Congratulations, you won 3,000 pesos. And congratulations, winner po natin. Talaga namang ginalingan nila. Give a round of applause to Team Alpha. Ayan. So,
May bukas pa.
that concludes our